Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you're doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for keeping the patience because I was unable to do your reading as I was unwell, but now I am well and I'm okay and I can do your readings, and I miss you all and I miss the readings which I do for you. So this is your general reading for the month of May. Okay, and please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. So let's start your reading, and this is the general reading. Okay, so let's see what are the messages. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages for Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius May 2021 which I need to deliver to Aquarius? If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. What are the messages? Please give me the messages. Friendships, soul symbol, health. What are the messages? Yin yang and wish. Bottom of the deck, I'm having courage. So keep your courage with you, Aquarius. Keep your strength, keep your courage with you. You need to keep your courage. Okay, there are new friendships which are coming for you. Okay, there are friendships which are coming for you. There is health here. That means if you are not well, then you're going to get wealth, health wise, I can say that. Okay, so the health is going to improve for you, Aquarius, and there is some wish which is going to grant. Okay, your wish fulfillment is coming true, maybe in terms of your twin flame, your yin yang. Okay, so your wish fulfillment is coming true. Maybe you are wishing for your twin flame, you're wishing to the universe that I want my twin flame in my life, I want my soulmate in my life, I want yin yang. Okay, whatever you can call them, but your wish is going to grant. Your yin yang, your twin flame is coming for you here. I can see the yin yang symbol here. Your health will improve here, and there is a soul symbol. Okay, so let me read it out for you for the soul symbol. What is the meaning of soul symbol? Because I don't know the meaning. Okay, discovery of life purpose, choices, manifesting desires. So you are questioning yourself which direction you want to go and what is your purpose and what is your future. That is all what you are questioning, maybe, Aquarius. And this card represents enormous spiritual growth. Okay, there is spiritual growth. You will be not ever be the same again. Okay, so spiritual growth is coming for you here. You're going through a transformation, ascension is taking place for you, and you are becoming more spiritual, I can say that. Okay, spiritual growth is coming for you. You are on a journey, so relax more and go with the universal flow. You will be aligned with the highest power and will soon have the ability to manifest anything you truly want in this world. Okay, so this is beautiful message. You are discovering of your life, you're manifesting your desires. That's why at the bottom of the deck I'm having the courage. Okay, keep your courage with you. Okay, because you are going through with beautiful transformation, I can say that. Your health is improving here. Okay, your twin flame, many of you are going to get reunited if you have already met them, if you are in separation. Okay, so you're going to get reunited with your twin flame, with your yin yang. And if you have not met them yet, they are coming here. Your wish is going to be granted by the universe. Okay, so yes, and here while shuffling also, see, I am having bottom of the deck, I'm having friendships. So a lot of friendships are coming for you, that is for sure. A friend needs your help. Your kindness and excellent counseling will put them back on track. Okay. 0444, maybe you are seeing the numbers 444. That can be a possibility. Okay, but yes, that's very important message that new friendships are coming for you and a friend is requiring your help. So help them out, okay, if they require any help. That's the message, and many new friendships are coming for you. Okay, so let's see more message from this deck. This is beautiful deck, I can say that. What are the messages for Aquarius May 2021? Please give me the messages. See, health is coming again. An excellent time to start an exercise program or diet. Many new friendships are on horizon. See, I told you, this is the same message from the both of the deck. New friendships and the health is going to get improved for you, Aquarius. Okay, this is the excellent time. You can start a new diet, you can start exercising. Okay, so beautiful message, I can say that. And many new friendships are on horizon. 0555 is the recording reading time. Next message is opportunities. An important offer will be made, so be prepared and dress to impress. So maybe I told you the yin yang here, this is going through with the yin yang message. Okay, so new opportunities are coming for you here, Aquarius. Or you have to get ready for, maybe you are going on a date, someone can ask you for a date. Okay, someone else can be so you need to get prepared. That's the message I'm getting here. Important offer will be made for you here. Care required. Guard yourself against deception and be careful of making foolish mistakes at this time. So if you are going to get reunited with someone from your past, okay, that's the message I'm getting. You need to guard yourself against deception. Maybe there is someone who do lying, cheating, manipulate you every time. So you have to guard yourself and be careful. Okay, don't make foolish mistakes at this time. So that means if there is someone again coming back in your life from your past, okay, see, care required, love and the future. So love is in the air. Okay, a great time for commitment and taking relationship to the next level. So yes, beautiful message is here. You're going to get you get a stable committed offer, a commitment, but you need to take care of yourself here and guard yourself against deception. This is very beautiful message. Okay, don't repeat the foolish mistakes you had done in the past. You know very well if it is applying on you or not. So your wish will be granted here. Love will be there for you. Maybe there is a commitment which is coming for you. Commitment is coming. There is future. You may travel or host an overseas travelers soon. Either way, great social fun awaits. So yes, social awakening is coming for you. So yes, maybe you're going to get travel here. Traveling is indicated here, or someone is coming to meet you, Aquarius. That can be a possibility. But social fun, that means celebrations, party is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, so yes, 3 more message I'm getting for you. There is difficult times. Be on your guard against chaos, as unforeseen perils or emotional upheaval are foretold. Okay, so that's why the message was that you need to keep your courage. If you are going through some difficult times, or someone is going through some difficult times or challenges, you need to keep your courage, Aquarius, because everything is happening for you. Okay, not to you. That's the message I'm getting here. There is nature. Interact with nature in the outdoors, around animals, farmlands or by ocean. This will be good for your soul and healing for you. So spend some time in nature and that will help you out into healing. And this is very beautiful nature message, that you need to spend some time in nature. Okay, that will help you out in healing and ground your energy very beautifully. There is surprise. A disappointment will be followed by a pleasant surprise. An invitation could bring love to those searching. So yes, see, surprise is coming for you. There is a wish which is coming for you. Okay, wish fulfillment is coming for you. Lot of messages, I can say that, from this deck. Challenges: take time out from problems or conflicts, or approach softly to avoid making matter worse. Okay, I told you, if you're going through some difficult times, if you're going through some challenges, if someone in your friend list is going through some challenging time or difficult times, you need to take time out from problems or conflicts, and okay, and approach softly so that you cannot make the matter worse. Okay, deal those situations with politely, okay, so that you can get the solutions from that. There is twists and turns. Carefully made plans could be thrown out the window as major changes and interruptions surround you. Make sure you get a lot of rest to cope up with all the upheaval. So yes, major changes are coming for you, Aquarius. Lot of major changes are coming for you. There's a lot of twists and turns which is coming for you, but you are going to get a lot of wisdom. To focus on the past is to lose the future. Okay, so heed advice from an older person which will allow you to move on. So wisdom is here. Sorry for the background noise. Then there is declutter your life. Let go of the correspondence, objects and people who no longer serve you, Aquarius. Someone will hurt your feelings and reveal a new side of themselves that you may wish to avoid. Okay, so declutter means that you need to let go anything which don't serve your highest good. There is sexuality. Existing relationships could find a new passion and heighten sexual attraction. Opportunities for marriage and a good family life are strong, but if single, beware of temptation that could lead to trouble. A child will also bring great joy. So maybe some of you some of you are going to get pregnant. Okay, a pregnancy is indicated, or you're going to get your marriage proposal. Okay, as you know, the same message is here, that love is in the air, your wish is going to grant it. If you are wishing for a marriage or a pregnancy, so that is indicated here, that is going to get for you, you are going to get that thing. There is property, a property purchase or a sale for many, but heed security concerns in any transactions. So if you are wishing for property sale or buying of property, so that is going to happen for you, but be aware in the agreements and all. Okay, there is sunshine. The sun is shining on you, career and business growth, fabulous communications in relationships. So beautiful message. Then there is society. Say yes to all the wonderful invitations coming your way. Excellent network opportunities and new love interest for singles will be the result. So whatever invitation is coming for you, just say yes. Okay, and enjoy yourself. Okay, so beautiful messages are coming for you, Aquarius, in the month of May. Okay, so new friendships are coming for you. There is a wish which is going to grant here. So this was the message. Let's see, let go is here again. So let go anything which don't serve your highest good, Aquarius. Okay, let go any person or thing or object which don't serve your highest good. Let's see what are the messages from this deck. Please give me the messages for Aquarius May 2021. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius May 2021? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Bottom of the deck, I'm having connect with the nature. Okay, this is very important message here. You need to connect yourself with the nature. Spend some time in nature. You will be rejuvenated and inspired by spending some time outdoors. So spend some time in nature. There is do some research. You will require more information about the situation. Look into the further before proceeding in the forward direction. So do some kind of research, which is the message here. There is emotional healing. As your heart heals of old emotional pain, you will receive new blessings and love. Okay, you will receive new blessings and love. You need to do your emotional healing, which is beautiful message. As you heal yourself about the old pains, you will receive the blessings of new love. I'm really sorry, my throat chakra is still blocked. Okay, I'm still recovering from the illness. Okay, there is perfect timing. This is the perfect time for you to move in a forward direction here, Aquarius. Okay, so move in a forward direction. Beautiful message. Thank you for giving the beautiful message. Let's see what are the messages from the Star Seed Oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius? May 2021. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Okay. Okay, so some of you are dealing with the karmic relationship here. Orient, energy, polarity, soul growth, and conflict. So maybe you are dealing with someone who is your karmic relationships. Okay, but don't worry at all, because karmic relationships are important and they are very good because they help you out in your soul's growth. Okay, they are important so that you can grow on a soul level. So soul's growth is indicated here, and you're dealing with someone who is your karmic relationship. There is a messenger here, Cyrus energy, bringing harmony and balance. So yes, there is a harmony and balance which is coming for you, Aquarius. There is double mission, light worker, star seed, serve the world by being you. Every time and many time in my videos, I told you that you are having, many of you Aquarius are having the double mission. That means you are the light worker, you are the star seed, you are here on this planet Earth to spread light. Okay, so you have to follow your mission here. Okay, serve the world by being you. Do your soul searching, do your soul purpose. Let's see more message. Two more message for Aquarius. One more message for Aquarius. Beautiful message. You are not for everyone, Aquarius. Okay, you are not for everyone. Embrace your weirdness and face your true north. Okay, so you are not for everyone. You are unique, you are special, because you are having beautiful energies inside of you. You are the light worker, the star seed. So don't be available for everyone. That's why here the karmic relationship is here. If you're dealing with someone who don't serve your highest good, who is the karmic relationship, get out of that relationship as soon as possible, because you are not for everyone. There is inner earth, you will survive this. New solutions and new beginnings are coming for you. Beautiful message. Whatever challenges you are going through, you will survive this, Aquarius. Okay, there is new beginning which is coming for you, new solutions which are coming for you. There is star bathing, light body, crystal grid transmission and activation is happening for you. I told you you're going through a transformation, beautiful transformation and transition period is going on. Okay, so yes, this is beautiful message which I'm getting here. Let's see more message from Work Your Lights. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius, May 2021. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver for Aquarius, May 2021. What are the messages? Birthing new age. Beautiful and very powerful message. Birthing new creations, dreaming a new world into being. See, you're creating, you are birthing a new age here. Can you see? This is beautiful and very powerful message for you. We are in the age of Aquarius. Okay, we are in the golden age of Aquarius. We are birthing a new age, and you are here on this planet Earth, Aquarius, to birth new creations. Okay, use your creativity, use your I can say that voice, knowledge, wisdom, because you are having a lot of beautiful things inside of you. Okay, you are here to birth a new age. This is beautiful message. What are the messages for Aquarius, May 2021? Please give me the messages. See, I just say this, that share your voice, share your knowledge here. Can you see? Come out of the cave, persecution and expression. You need to share your voice, Aquarius. Okay, you are having beautiful lot of wisdom and knowledge inside of you. And can you see bottom of the deck? I'm having Mintakan, longing for home. The original light workers. You are the original light workers here on this planet Earth. You just need to say yes. Yes, I'm ready for the transformation. Yes, I'm ready for sharing my voice. I'm ready for birthing new age. Okay, just say yes. You need to share your voice to the world here. Can you see how this girl is sitting on this? Can you see these two pictures? This is beautiful. This is inner earth. You will survive this, whatever challenges you are going through here. Okay, you will survive this because new solutions, new beginnings are coming for you here, Aquarius. This is beautiful. Bottom of the deck, I'm having transformation. I told you transformation is taking place. Okay, so things are changing at a cellular level. Deep healing is going through. You are birthing new age. You just need, maybe you are longing for home. You just need to, wow, 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 I can say wow. Why I'm saying that? This is beautiful message. The age of light. You have been training for this for many lifetimes. Let me show you like this. Now it will be clear for you. Can you see? This is very beautiful messages which I'm getting for you. You're getting the training for this in many lifetimes. You are here on this planet Earth to give the birth of a new age here. Can you see? You are the light Aquarius. Okay, you are getting the training for this for many lifetimes. Age of light, because we are here on this planet Earth to, this is the golden age of Aquarius. Okay, this is the age of light, and here I'm getting the same message. You are creating heaven on earth, and it's happening. Lemuria. Okay, you're creating beautiful heaven on the planet Earth. Share your voice, Aquarius. You need to share your voice. Then there is boundaries. Where do you need to establish better boundaries? As you know, you are not for everyone. Okay, you're not for everyone. Set up healthy boundaries around yourself. Okay, you need to set up your healthy boundaries around yourself. Then there is star mother. How can you mother yourself? Take care of yourself, mother yourself. Then there is inner temple devotion. Tune into portal of your heart. You need to tune into the portal of your heart. Beautiful messages and very powerful messages for you. I love this. You are birthing the age. Share your voice. Okay, you are the original light workers and the star seeds. Many of you are the original light workers. Many of you are the original light workers and the star seeds both. Okay, so you are having a double mission here. You are birthing a new age, a age of light, the age of light. And this is beautiful. I love the reading. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see more message. You just need to say yes, Aquarius, and there is a new solutions, new beginnings which are coming for you. Okay, so new things are coming for you, new beginnings are coming for you. Let's see more messages from Scared Destiny. What are the messages for Aquarius? May 2021. Please give me the messages. What are the messages? Happiness, purity, blessings. Wow, wow. New beginnings. See, new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. There are a lot of blessings which is here. You're going to receive lot of blessings which is coming for you. There is new beginnings which is coming for you in the month of May. Okay, there is a happiness card here. Happiness is coming for you. Can you see? Maybe you are getting Listen to the voice of birds. Okay, birds is here. Maybe there is a message from the birds. There is purity and there is voyage. Okay, as you become more pure day by day, you becoming more spiritually, you are growing on a spiritual level here. So yes, blessings are coming for you. There is new beginnings which is coming for you, and this is beautiful. Let's see more message. What are the messages for Aquarius? Surrender to the journey here. Release control. Okay, release control, and there is vast vistas. Expand your horizons. You need to expand your horizons. Let me see more message for Aquarius. May 2021. What are the messages? See, lot of messages. Okay, passion and pleasure, savor your life. Okay, work on your passions which gives you lot of pleasure to your soul. Okay, there is valiant courage. Take action with passion. Take action with passion. Bottom of the deck, I'm having infinite abundance is pouring into your life. Let me see more message. Wow. Trust there is a divine plan. Okay. Desert passage. Trust that there is a divine plan. Whatever is happening according to the divine plan. There is solitude. In silence, peace prevails. Beautiful. There is taking shelter. The answers are within yourself. Okay, there is answers which is there, which is there inside of you. In silence you will get all the answers, whatever answers you are looking for. There is begin now. Take your first step. Okay, you need to take your first step. Beautiful message. Beautiful message. Thank you for giving the beautiful message. Trust that there is a divine plan. There is new beginnings which is coming for you. Can you see new beginnings is here? Beautiful blessings are coming for you, Aquarius. So let's see what are the messages from the divine abundance. What are the messages for Aquarius? May 2021. Please give me the message for Aquarius, May 2021. Faith. Miraculously, amazingly, everything I need always come. Love is opening me to receive beyond anything I imagine. So keep your faith and courage to the divine. Trust that there is a divine plan. See, have faith in the divine. Have faith that there is a trust that there is a divine plan, and move in a forward direction. Everything is happening according to the divine timing and to the divine plan. There is inner child. Allow me to give compassion and love to that little one. Let me attend to its deepest needs and feelings. So you need to take care of your inner child. Do your inner child healing and listen to your inner child deepest feelings and what does your inner child wants to do. There is grounded. Many of the most evoke beings on earth are regular folks living with joy, dignity and courage. Ground yourself, Aquarius. Okay, you need to ground yourself. This is beautiful message. I love the messages. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one or two message from the colors. What are the message for Aquarius, May? What are the messages for Aquarius? Okay, lot of message. I can say that in every deck I'm getting lot of messages for you in the month of May. Violet is a color. Create a balanced life. You can use violet color. That will help you out in bringing the balance in your life here. There is plum. Overcome your challenges. Okay, so plum is a message. You can overcome any challenges. Okay, so plum is here, you can use this color. Then there is rainbow, connect to spirit in nature. Maybe you will see the rainbow in the sky, and if you are getting to see the rainbow in the sky, you need to connect yourself here with this nature, with the spirit. Okay, there is brilliance, discover your sparkle. Okay, so discover your sparkle here. Beautiful message, I love it. Thank you for giving the beautiful message. Let's add some message from the tea leaf. See, I told you, waiting for news package letter. There is a bird message here which I'm getting here, so maybe you will receive some kind of message through birds. Okay, so beautiful message. New job or new career is coming for you. Pin is here. Okay, there is October, so maybe it is connected to you in some way. October, maybe this is the month of your birth or your partner's birth, but October is specifically mentioned here. Okay, there is a torch, spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness and understanding. See, I told you, you are getting more spiritual awakening, spiritual development, spiritual growth is coming for you. You are becoming more spiritually aware and understanding here. So beautiful message. There is bird flying, news is on your way. So beautiful news is coming for you, which is on your way through the bird flying. Can you see there is bird here again? Okay, why there is October here? Please clarify me October. Why there is October here? Okay, so there is something which will happen, you will feel something is lacking in your life, perhaps love, money or goals. That is here, which is being clarified here. So maybe from October you are living a single life, that can be a possible. Okay, or from October there is someone who hurt you in the past, someone will try to make you do something against your will in October. That can be a possibility. In October something happened with you, and after that incident you are feeling very very alone or lacking. There is something which is lacking in your life, but don't worry, the boat is here. Money or property through an inheritance, winning or windfall. Property is indicated again and again in your reading, in today's reading. So maybe you are going to get to buy a property or sell a property. That can be a possibility, or you will receive a property from your inheritance. Okay, that can be a possibility here. So yes, lot of message. See, again lot of message is here. There is ant, work, achievement and success, which is coming for you. There is mule, someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change. Bottom of the deck, I'm having a stubborn, aggressive person. Maybe you're dealing with someone who is very aggressive, stubborn, who is not ready to change here. So there is someone who is extremely stubborn and which is not ready to change. And if it is, maybe this is your karmic one. Maybe this is your karmic relationship which is not ready to change here. But beware of a great pride. Peacock is here. There is fear, heartache over what you no longer have. Okay. There is feeling tied down or frustrated yoke. Okay. And there is temptation will test you. Apple. So temptation will test you here. That's the message I'm getting here. So this is the message which I'm getting here. Let's see what are the messages from the unicorns. What are the messages for Aquarius in the month of May? Please give me the messages for Aquarius. One more message. Okay. Wow. Manifestation, focus on vision beyond yourself, and your unicorn will help you out. If you're doing some kind of manifestation, you will get your manifestation in reality. Okay, you need to focus on the vision, and there is a unicorn which will be helping you out. And there is the Christ, open the door to the kingdom of heaven. Beautiful message. That's why I was saying wow, this is very powerful reading, okay, for the month of May. I love your readings, today's readings. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the star seeds. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius, May 2021? There is gratitude, stillness, and there is fruition. Universal love shines through miracles of life around you. Okay, so gratitude is here. Reflect on this moment with love, kindness, and compassion. Stillness is here, and there is fruition. Rest assured, your dreams and vision will come to fruition, Aquarius. Lot of abundance message is here, I can say that. Let me see more message for Aquarius, May. Okay, you need to surrender yourself. Okay, surrender your need to control the outcome. Just be with life in this present moment. Surrender yourself to the control. That means you need to surrender yourself if to the current. If you're controlling, release the control. That's the message I'm getting. You need to release the control. There is love. Live your truth and share the love that is in your soul. Okay, so you need to share your love which is there inside your soul. Observation, expand your consciousness by observing the divine matrix of life. And there is free spirit. To be a free spirit is to float without walls, to fly without judgment, and to love without conditions. Okay, so you are a free spirit and you need to follow these things here. So this is beautiful message. Let's see what are the message from the sweet dreams for Aquarius. Let go. I release the old and embrace the new. I grow into my very best self. See, let go is the message here again. If you are dealing with someone, if there is someone who does not serve your highest good, you need to let go that person as soon as possible. Okay, so let go here is the message. Let's see what are the message from Archangel deck. This is beautiful deck, I can say that. What are the messages for Aquarius? Create a solid spiritual foundation. Be in service to the planet. Archangel Garshisa. Maybe I am pronouncing it right. I don't know. But yes, you are here on this planet Earth. Okay, you are having the double mission here. I told you. Okay, be in service to the planet. You are here to serve the planet. Okay, so serve the world by being you. Be in service to the planet here, Aquarius. Okay, that's the message I'm getting here. This is very beautiful and very powerful. Love it. Let's see messages from scared creators. What are the message for Aquarius? What are the messages? Bottom of the deck. What does your soul says? Okay, there is a soul calling here. There is your intuition is trying to tell you something. Your soul is trying to tell you something. So what does your soul is trying to tell you? Step ahead is all you need. Okay, you need to take a step ahead. That's why there is a message. Begin, take the first step. Okay, take the first step here. Take a first step. Begin the first step. Take the first step. There is light in the unexpected. So there is a light in the unexpected here. Beautiful message. So yes, this is the message. I think let's add one message from the secret language of light. Okay, and this is beautiful deck, I can say that. Let's add one message for Aquarius May 2021. What is the message? Let your light shine. Beautiful. Let your light shine here, Aquarius. This is beautiful, and this is same message. Light in the unexpected here. Step ahead is all you need. Okay. Let your light shine here. Beautiful message. So this was your reading for the month of May, and I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, let me add one message from the butterfly deck. What is the message? Same message is here again. Take the next step now. Take the next step now, Aquarius. Step ahead is all you need. Okay, so take the step in a forward direction, move in a forward direction. That's the same message I'm getting here for you. So that was your reading for the month of May, and I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself. Sending you lots of healing and happiness to all my Aquarius who is watching my video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.